Dubai is a city of wonders, where futuristic skyscrapers meet rich cultural heritage. In this video, we'll explore the 10 best places to visit in Dubai, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious, this guide will take you through must-see spots like the Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Marina, and more. Stay till the end to discover a surprise location. Which place excites you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Let's dive in. Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, stands at 828 meters. Completed in 2010, it has 163 floors and features luxury residences, corporate suites, the Armani Hotel, and observation decks offering breathtaking views. Designed by Adrian Smith, its architecture is inspired by Islamic and desert motifs. The tower's reinforced concrete and steel structure ensure stability. It holds records for the highest occupied floor and tallest freestanding structure. A global icon, Burj Khalifa symbolizes Dubai's rapid growth and innovation, attracting millions of visitors yearly. The Dubai Fountain, the world's largest choreographed fountain system, is located on Burj Khalifa Lake in downtown Dubai. Designed by Wet Design, it spans 275 meters and shoots water up to 150 meters high. The fountain's performances feature synchronized water jets, lights, and music ranging from classical to contemporary hits. Equipped with over 6,600 lights and 50 color projectors, it creates mesmerizing visual displays. Shows run daily, attracting millions of visitors who gather around the lake or watch from nearby restaurants and the Burj Khalifa observation decks. It's a must-see attraction in Dubai. Burj Al Arab, Dubai's iconic luxury hotel, stands on an artificial island 280 meters offshore. Completed in 1999, it rises 321 meters and is designed to resemble a billowing sail. Known for its opulence, it features lavish suites, a helipad, an underwater restaurant, and a stunning atrium. The hotel is renowned for its exceptional service, often considered a 7-star experience. Accessible via a private bridge, it offers breathtaking views of the Arabian Gulf. A symbol of Dubai's luxury and innovation, Burj Al Arab remains one of the world's most exclusive and expensive hotels. The Dubai Frame, a stunning architectural landmark, stands 150 meters tall and 93 meters wide in Zabiel Park. Opened in 2018, it resembles a giant picture frame, symbolizing Dubai's past, present, and future. The structure offers breathtaking views of old Dubai from one side and the modern skyline from the other. A glass-floored sky bridge at the top enhances the experience. Inside, an immersive museum showcases Dubai's transformation from a fishing village to a global metropolis. The Dubai Frame is a must-visit attraction, blending history, innovation, and spectacular city views. Palm Jumeirah, an artificial island in Dubai, is shaped like a palm tree and extends into the Arabian Gulf. Built using land reclamation, it features a trunk, 16 fronds, and a crescent-shaped breakwater. Completed in the 2000s, it houses luxury resorts, upscale residences, and entertainment hubs. The island is home to Atlantis the Palm, high-end hotels, beach clubs, and fine dining spots. A monorail connects it to the mainland, offering scenic views. Known for its exclusivity and waterfront lifestyle, Palm Jumeirah is a symbol of Dubai's ambition, engineering prowess, and luxury tourism. Dubai Marina is a vibrant waterfront district known for its skyscrapers, luxury residences, and lively nightlife. Built along a 3 kilometers artificial canal, it offers stunning views of the Arabian Gulf and an upscale urban lifestyle. Home to iconic towers like Cayenne Tower and Marina 101, it features world-class hotels, fine dining, and shopping at Marina Mall. The Marina Walk, with its cafes and restaurants, is a popular spot for strolls. Visitors can enjoy yacht cruises, water sports, and views from the Dubai Marina Yacht Club. It's a must-visit destination for luxury, entertainment, and modern city life. Jumeirah Mosque, one of Dubai's most beautiful mosques, is a stunning example of traditional Islamic architecture. Built in the Fatimid style, it features white stone walls, intricate carvings, and 2 elegant minarets flanking a large central dome. Located in the upscale Jumeirah district, it is one of the few mosques in Dubai open to non-Muslim visitors through guided tours by the Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding. These tours promote interfaith dialogue and offer insights into Islamic traditions. Especially captivating at sunset, Jumeirah Mosque is a must-visit for those interested in culture, history, and architecture. Dubai Mall, the world's second-largest shopping mall by total area, is a premier retail and entertainment destination in downtown Dubai. Covering 1.2 million square meters, it houses over 1,200 stores, luxury boutiques, and global brands. Attractions include the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, an Olympic-sized ice rink, VR park, and Kidzania. The mall also offers fine dining, cinemas, and direct access to the Burj Khalifa. The famous Dubai fountain performances can be viewed from its waterfront promenade. A global shopping and leisure hub, Dubai Mall attracts millions of visitors yearly, making it a must-visit destination in Dubai. The Museum of the Future, one of Dubai's most futuristic landmarks, is an architectural marvel shaped like a torus with a hollow center. Opened in 2022, it stands 77 meters tall and features an intricate stainless steel facade engraved with Arabic calligraphy. Located on Sheikh Zayed Road, the museum explores cutting-edge technology, artificial intelligence, robotics, and space exploration. It offers immersive exhibits that envision the future of humanity, sustainability, and innovation. Designed to inspire creativity and progress, the Museum of the Future is a must-visit for those fascinated by science, technology, and forward-thinking ideas. Global Village is Dubai's premier multicultural festival park, blending entertainment, shopping, and dining from around the world. Open seasonally from October to April, it features pavilions representing over 90 countries, each showcasing traditional crafts, food, and performances. Visitors can enjoy thrilling rides, live concerts, stunt shows, and cultural performances. The park also offers a variety of international cuisines and street food. With its lively atmosphere and diverse attractions, Global Village is a unique destination for families and tourists celebrating global cultures in a vibrant and immersive setting.